In this video, I'll share with you how to set up a WhatsApp Cloud API inside Facebook Developer. Let's take a look at the steps of this infographic. First, go to Facebook Developer. Then, create a WhatsApp app. Finally, set the webhook to link to the message to you system. And you are done. If you want to turn on subtitles function in different languages, just click the settings button at the bottom right corner, and you can choose different languages. If you like our video sharing, please subscribe to Message to Use channel. Next, we go to developer.facebook.com page. After login, click My APPS on the right side. Once you are in the system, on the right side, click the Create App button. Then select Business. Scroll down to the bottom and click Next. You will come to the Provide Basic Information. Please enter the name of the app. For example, Message to You, and then enter email, so that Facebook can contact you at any time. Then select Business Account. For example, Message to You. After you have finished, click on the Create App button again. Once you get into another page, click on the dashboard on the left. Then, move down to the bottom. You will see the WhatsApp icon. Then click on the Setup button. After entering the setup screen, you will see the temporary test number for testing purposes. We just need to click the arrow from the drop-down list, and then select Manage Phone Number List. Select Country Code. Insert your personal WhatsApp number. After that, enter the verification code and then press Next. I've tested this before, so the phone number is already in the options. I won't do the verification here. After returning to the previous screen, select the phone number you want to receive the test message. Then, scroll down. At the location of Step 2, click the Send Message button. Please open your WhatsApp. This is the message and the phone number we have just made. Then come to the Step 3 Webhook section. Just click on the Configure Webhooks link. Then go to the Edit button on the right. Then type in the callback URL in the box, or you can copy from the video description. Then in the Verify Token box, you can enter any English word. For example, WhatsApp. Finally, click the Verify and Save button. And you're done. After that, we go to Webhook Fields and click on the Manage button on the right. Make sure to confirm or subscribe all the services. Finally, press the Done button again. After returning to the previous page, please click the Getting Started button on the left again. To Step 5, move to the far right. Then click on the Add Phone Number button. In the first box, enter your brand name. This brand name will be sent out on behalf of your company. For example, Message to You. Select the appropriate time zone. Then category. Enter the brand's profile. No more than 512 characters for the brand description. Click the Next button. Select country code. Then enter your company WhatsApp phone number that you want to use for marketing. Then select text message and press the Next button. Please enter the SMS verification number you have just received on your phone. Then press the Next button. After returning to the setting page, the original test number has been changed to your company WhatsApp number. At this point, we can try entering another number to test and see if we can receive a message from our company WhatsApp number. Then press Send Message again to open your personal WhatsApp, and now you can see that my personal mobile number has received a text message. Open the back end of the phone number. You can also see the information we have just set for the brand name, brand profile information. Okay, let's continue in the next video.